Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's recent echocardiogram. The ejection fraction has decreased significantly. We need to discuss a more aggressive treatment plan.
I understand Dr. Mihira. His symptoms have been worsening, and he's been experiencing more fatigue.
We should consider increasing his beta blocker dosage. It can help improve heart function and reduce symptoms.
I'll inform the patient and monitor his response to the increased dosage. Should we also adjust his diuretic?
Let's reassess his fluid status and adjust the diuretic accordingly. We want to manage his congestive heart failure symptoms while avoiding excessive fluid retention.
I'll also ensure he's adhering to his sodium-restricted diet and limiting fluid intake.
That's important. We should also discuss the possibility of a cardiac rehabilitation program. It can help improve his overall heart health and reduce symptoms.
I'll schedule a consultation with the cardiac rehabilitation team, Dr. Mihira. Mihira, I understand that receiving a new diagnosis and starting medications can feel overwhelming. It's important to know that starting these medications right away is a proactive step to protect your heart and help you heal. Medicines like blood thinners or aspirin work quickly to prevent new blood clots from forming, which is crucial in the early stages after a heart event to prevent further damage. Statins help stabilize the plaque in your arteries, making it less likely to rupture and cause another blockage. This immediate start is a key part of stabilizing your condition. Your care doesn't stop with the medication, though. As you recover at home, gentle monitoring will be your partner in healing. Pay close attention to how you feel, especially for any returning chest pain, pressure, unexplained shortness of breath, dizziness, or unusual fatigue. These can be important signals from your body. Keeping a simple log of these feelings, along with taking your medications exactly as prescribed, are the most powerful things you can do. This careful watchfulness, combined with your new medications, creates a strong safety net for your recovery journey. We are here to guide you through every step.